Hallelujah. Ịhụnanya Chineke karịsịa soro m too Chukwu mgbe niile m kpọkwuru gị ị na-aza m ele n'anya n'azụ n'ime mkpa m na-eto ya ọ dị mma soro m tobe ya ọ dị mma ndị nke Chineke bụ ya. So hi guys, welcome back to another vlog guys. So how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So welcome back to another vlog guys. So this morning I'm about to head out of the house because I'm going to the local house, the local government house, which is called Comune here in Italy. So normally they're supposed to arrive at home with your address, a letter for your kids so that you go and do a registration for the school, for the new year of the school they're about to enter. So my twins, they are still in kindergarten, and this is the routine. This is how things are usually done. So I have been waiting for this letter to arrive to the house for quite some time now, and I haven't seen it. So I needed to make a call. So I had to call the school. I called severally, but since they are all closed, nobody is responding. And it seems like the responsible, the person responsible, the director of the school is also has gone to holiday also. Okay, so I needed to call the local government house because they are the one in charge of the school. So I had to tell them what my request is, and guys, so, and they told me that okay, that they let them control, and they controlled, and they found out that yes, I haven't really done the registration, and they didn't send me that letter. So they had to tell me that I have to book an appointment, and I have booked the appointment, and this morning is the appointment. So that's where I'm heading to. So I'm going over there to do this registration. Registration is not free, okay? It's on payment, 105 euro per annum for a year of school. So the kindergarten year is 1 to 3 years, okay? So it's 3 years of school for the kindergarten. So my twins, they have done the first year, and every year of the school you need to renew your registration, still on payment. That's not the school payment anyway. The school normal payment is different, then registration payment is different. Gotta spend the money, that's what they say, okay guys. So but it's for the student education, is very well understandable. Gotta spend it. So that's where I'm heading this morning, and from there I'll be branching to the supermarket because we need some certain things in the house. So I'll be branching to the supermarket as well. So I'm going to carry you guys along, but regarding the government house, I don't know where I'm going to vlog and where they're going to allow me to vlog, but anywhere they allow me to vlog, I will carry you guys along. So how you guys doing, my lovelies? You guys rock. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for everything. I truly appreciate your massive support. See you guys later, okay? Keep watching.
Grazie. Maybe I'm not sure, so why don't you change my mind? Cause baby I'm not sure, but let's take a chance this time. And I can't remember the last time I saw you cry. I don't wanna do it, I had to, you know it. I hate when we say goodbye. Cause I'm coming back around. You know I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You know I'll do anything to come and see ya. You know I'm always It's already winter, and I'm starting to forget the smell of your hair, the taste of your lips.
You guys should say hello.
Hello.
Ellery, say hello.
Hello.
Who is Ellery?
Yeah. Yeah.
Echo. And who is Xmond? Who is Xmond? Hi guys, good morning from here. So this is another day again, and it's morning over here. So it's a Sunday. I don't know when this vlog is going to go up, but whenever it goes up, it's just gonna go up. So today, since morning I've been up. In fact, I've been working since morning. Okay, and I just remember that I've not really spoken to you guys from the last time I talked to you guys, and I decided to pick up my camera and talk to you guys. Okay, so this is Sunday, not Monday, please. And we have had breakfast, and I'm about to just go and prepare plantain porridge right now so that we can have that for lunch. This is not like today is not gonna be Sunday, right? Martins, please, may I know what you're doing over there? Martins,
I'm not doing anything.
you're not doing anything.
No.
Okay. Have you guys finished with your computer with the studies? There's a problem. You guys did something here. And I don't know whatever you did. Whatever you did, I don't know, but take it and go. I'm going to. Michael, come and have it. Don't worry yourself, I'll come over here. PJ Masks? You want to watch PJ Masks? Oh yeah, hold on. Martins, please get me the remote, okay? Thank you. So guys, I'm just gonna head over and prepare something. I'm not going to carry you guys along. Hold on, my love. Hold on, I'm talking. No! So I'm just going to show you guys. Another thing I want to say to you guys is that tomorrow being Monday, I'm going to be going for my COVID vaccine. Yes. So I'm going to be taking my COVID vaccine, and I'm going to be taking you guys along too. I don't know if they're going to allow me vlog in there, but if they do, I'll definitely show you guys. This vaccine is really scaring me, seriously, but I have to take it because here they're beginning to put some laws about movements if you don't have that if you have not taken the vaccine, especially some public areas with children, with parents and all of that. So that's why I really am out for it. I need to go and take it. So good morning guys. This is about few days after the last time I spoke to you guys. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. So today, you remember I told you guys I went to the local government house for my twins kindergarten registration, something like that. So few days later after I did that, they called me and they told me that they have this program that they organize for primary school students, and that just to prepare them against September for the new school resumption and all of that programs. So, and it was free. They were like calling all parents, those that are interested, to register so that the kids will start. So I did the registration for my other two boys, and this morning we are starting it. So I'm all dressed up here, and I'll be going. I mean, the school is on, my school goes to a government school. I don't even know if there is a private school here. So that is why I was able to be contacted as well, just as other parents that I also know that they contacted. So the school is starting this morning and we are all dressed up and ready to go. The guys, they are all dressed up. It's starting about 8:30 and now it's 8:16 or 8:20 thereabout. So we're going to be heading out and we are going to be walking. We are not using the car because the place that organizing the school is much closer. So we are going to be walking. So that's just it. They're going to be going to this school till September 6th, thereabout. That's just a few days before the school resume. So meaning that they are going to be really occupied and refreshing up. And those that have not finished with their holiday studies, the books, they will as well help them and they will all round it up. So that's the program for the day, guys.
Maybe I'm not sure, so why don't you change my mind? 'Cause baby,
All right, guys. So I just entered the house now, and I'll just quickly attend to their brothers, their younger brothers, tidy up the house because this house is in a mess, and I will as well prepare something for lunch before they get back. So I'll be ending this vlog here. Thank you so much if you have watched me up to this far. Thank you. I appreciate you. And if you are new to the channel, please do wait to subscribe. I am Tonia and you are in Amy Thonia's channel. I am a Nigerian that's based here in Italy and my channel is all about cooking and lifestyle vlog. Thank you and subscribe and do wait to turn on the post notification for more videos. Okay, so see you guys on my next video. Ciao.